Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2024, and we're diving into Atmos Energy's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2024. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Atmos Energy, a leading natural gas distributor, has just released its earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Atmos Energy reported a net income of $1 billion and earnings per diluted share of $6.83. John, how does this compare to previous performance?
Atmos Energy has shown robust profitability with a net income of $1 billion. The earnings per share of $6.83 reflect strong operational performance. Their capital expenditures were significant at $2.9 billion, with a focus on safety and reliability, which is crucial for a utility company.
And what about their financial health?
They maintain a strong financial profile with 61% equity capitalization, which indicates a solid balance sheet and financial stability. This positions them well for future investments and growth.
Strategic initiatives and investments. Atmos Energy has been focusing heavily on safety and reliability. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. Approximately 83% of their capital expenditures were directed towards enhancing safety and reliability. This is part of their long-term strategy to modernize their natural gas distribution, transmission, and storage systems.
How have regulatory outcomes impacted their financials?
They implemented $376.3 million in annualized regulatory outcomes, which supports their revenue and ensures compliance with safety standards. Additionally, they have $4.8 billion in available liquidity, providing them with the flexibility to pursue further strategic investments.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Atmos Energy provided for fiscal 2025?
For fiscal 2025, Atmos Energy expects earnings per diluted share to be in the range of $7.05 to $7.25. They also plan to increase their capital expenditures to approximately $3.7 billion, continuing their focus on infrastructure improvements.
And there's news on dividends as well.
Yes, the board of directors has declared a quarterly dividend of $0.87 per share, which represents an 8.1% increase over fiscal 2024. This reflects their commitment to returning value to shareholders while maintaining growth.
Risks and challenges. What are some of the risks and challenges Atmos Energy faces?
Atmos Energy is subject to significant regulatory risks, which can impact their operations and financials. They also face increasing competition from alternative energy sources. Additionally, the inherent hazards of distributing and storing natural gas pose operational challenges.
How are they addressing these risks?
They are actively engaging with regulatory bodies and investing in safety and technology to mitigate these risks. Their focus on modernizing infrastructure is also a key strategy to address operational hazards.
Key takeaways. In summary, Atmos Energy has delivered a strong performance for fiscal 2024 with a net income of $1 billion and a positive outlook for 2025. Their strategic focus on safety and infrastructure modernization, along with a dividend increase, makes them a compelling investment prospect. John, any final thoughts?
Atmos Energy's commitment to safety and reliability, coupled with their financial strength, positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on regulatory developments and market competition, but overall, the company is on a solid path.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Atmos Energy's performance in the comments below.